Here is the information on the single row carport mounting system by Goomax Energy. These lightweight and durable systems made from high quality 𝐊-6005 aluminium provide low price per square foot and boast high water resistance, strong anti-corrosive properties, and can be easily manoeuvred on the ground to allow the user to choose where they are installed. They can be installed using cement block foundations over existing car parks, with each section being bonded together by the north-south connection, and parts pre-assembled in our own manufacturing factories, which saves the installer time, energy and money, ensuring the most cost-effective solution to each customer's needs. We offer an OEM service and customised requirements can be met for whatever users require, paying special attention to meet local building codes. This all ensures an easy, straightforward and clear process from ordering to installation. These come with a 12-year warranty and service life of up to 20 years, giving you peace of mind when ordering these. Certifications with these are industry standard TUV, Australian AS/NZS 1170 and Japanese JISC 8955 2008, and we are accredited with ISO Quality Management System certification. Goomax Energy Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specialised in the manufacturing of solar PV products, including R&D, production, sales and service, committing to providing customers with the most stable and reliable, economical and efficient solar PV mounting system solutions. We have been always adhering to strict quality control and honest business philosophy. Since its establishment, Goomax solar PV products have been taking the lead in the global PV market, with more products sold in well more than 100 countries and regions, and has become one of the largest export enterprises of solar PV products and production and sales integrated enterprise.